Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see the problem mirror of a tree. So what we have to do is we have to find the mirror image of a given tree. So let's read the problem statement first. Given a binary tree, convert it into its mirror tree. So we have this given tree and the mirror tree of it will look something like this. So you can see 3 and 2 have swapped their positions. So 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 also have changed their positions. So let's see now how we are going to approach this problem and how we are going to solve this. So first of all, for a given tree like this 1 2 3, the mirror image of it will be 3 and 2 will have their position as swapped. So let's see another example. So in this case we have the image as 10 as the root node and 20 and 30 are the children node and 40 and 60. So what we are going to do is, how we are going to solve is, we are going to first of all swap the children nodes first. Okay, so initially after the first step these two nodes will swap 60 and 40, and then after this step the second level nodes will get swapped. So our tree will look something like this. So the logic for this code is very simple, that we only have to swap the children nodes and we have to call the function for the left subtree first and then the right subtree first. Okay, so in this way we can reach our solution. So what we are going to do is, the condition will be simply like, if we have a function as mirror, it will be a void type, because we just have to return the we just have to swap the positions and we don't have to return anything. So and first of all we are going to call the same function for the left subtree and for the right subtree. Why? Because we want to recursively call the function, because we want this swapping take place for the entire tree. So this is done, and the return statement would be something like this: node left and node right. So what this will do is, this will simply swap the left and right node for the entire tree. So this will be our logic for this code. Let's see the code now. So the code is something like this. What we are going to do is, first of all we are going to check the base condition. If we have the node as null, we are simply going to return. Okay, and then mirror is node of left. What we have done next is, we have called the function mirror for the left on the left subtree, and then we have called the function mirror for the right subtree, and then we have written our return condition, that is swapping the two nodes, node of left and node of right. Let's compile this code. So our code is running fine. Let's try to submit this. So code is successfully submitted. Thanks for watching.